Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an intro in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to start using your templates or Filmora templates so you can create your own intro. And now, here we will go, or you will be needing like to open a new project or open your own project, and then you will need just to go to this menu. So from here, we will be needing like to choose templates. So from the templates, you will find like many videos, and basically the one that we are interested in is intro. So you can choose YouTube intro, or you can stick to trending or whatever you'd like, and I'm just going to choose intro. And from here you will find like the duration, and basically there is also the clips limit, and here is the aspect ratio. So basically you will be needing like just to scroll and choose anyone that you would like. So basically those are some uh, ones that you can use, and as you can see you can already preview these ones. You can choose whatever you like, and I'm just going to download this one too. And basically, and after like the templates finish downloading, you can find them here in downloads, and basically you can choose any one. So you will need just to drag and drop. I will just match with the settings, and basically now you have this templates. So now you need just to click on replace material, or click to replace material, and from here you will have uh, like these materials. You can add any image for any timestamp. So for here you will have this image. You can choose like those images. You can change them. You can choose the stocks. You can choose all these items, and basically you can also start expanding uh, the templates, and basically from here you will find like more control, or you will have more control on your uh, work. And basically you can start like choosing the layers that you want to change its own text. For example, here you will be your business title or your channel title, as you can do for here. So basically, even if you expand any templates, you will find a text object, and then you can choose and add the content that you would like. So basically from here it will be something, and basically this one, this business summit, will be changing to something or whatever you like. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.